Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are doing good. And in this lecture, I'll be teaching you part 2 of our sixth chapter, which is Be My Multiple, I'll Be Your Factor. We'll start with question number 9 as we finish till question number 8. So let's start. Our question number 9 is find the HCF of the following by short division method. Okay, so HCF, children, is highest common factor. Okay, so we need to find HCF with the help of short division method. Very simple question, children. You'll understand it easily. So first question is here. First question is 75, 50 and 125. है ना. तो what we need to do here, children, is we need to see a common factor. अब आपको पता है factor क्या होता है ना, आपको पता है factors क्या होते हैं. एंड अभी आपको लास्ट लेक्चर में आई हैड ऑल्सो टॉट यू हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द कॉमन फैक्टर्स here, है ना. I taught you how to find out the common factors. So simple, it is like that only. You have been provided with three numbers, 75, 50 and 125. You have to find out a one number which is divisible by all these that number these numbers are divisible by that number. Okay, for example, if you are taking number 2, if you are taking number 2, so you need to check that if 75, 50 and 125 is divisible by 2 or not. ठीक है, तो ये बहुत सारा आपको देख के समझ में आ रहा है. 75 5 आ रहा है एंडिंग में, सो इट कांट बी डिवाइडेड बाय 2, है ना. सो वी कैन चेक नंबर थ्री से तीनों नंबर डिवाइड हो रहा है क्या. सो 3 ऑल्सो 50 के द नंबर 50 इज़ नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 3. ठीक है, सो दैट इज़ वाई 4 से भी नहीं हो पाएगा. सो नेक्स्ट विच नंबर कम्स इज 5. ठीक है, तो 75, 50 एंड 125 इज़ डिविजिबल बाय 5, है ना. 5 के टेबल में जो नंबर्स एंड होते हैं 5 से वो भी डिविजिबल होते हैं, जो नंबर्स एंड होते हैं 0 से वो भी डिविजिबल होते हैं 5 से. सो इट इज़ वेरी सिंपल. सो 75, 50 एंड 125 इज़ डिविजिबल बाय 5. सो यूल राइट हियर 5. तो 5 को डिवाइड करो, 75 डिवाइडेड बाय 5 करो. 75 डिवाइडेड बाय 5 व्हाट यू विल गेट 15, है ना. 15 5 is 75. यूल पुट अ कॉमा हियर. ओके, 50 को डिवाइड करो 5 से, यू विल गेट 10. Okay, children, put a comma. Then 125 divided by 5 करना है आपको. What you will get 25. ठीक है, children. So not to worry. How you will divide is very simple. For example, I'll just show you for 125. This is 125 divided by 5. I hope you have learned this in previous lesson for previous classes, but still I'll show you one. So 5, you have to write it like this. Okay, so 125 divided by, you will divide it by 5, and what will come here is 5 2s are 10, and here remainder 2, and this 5 we will take it down. 25 is the remainder now. 5 के टेबल में 25 when it comes 5 times 5, that is 5 5s are 25, and here we get 25 and the remainder 0. Okay, so that is how you have to divide. So I know 5th standard children know about it, but still I showed you one. So you get remainder, what is it, 25. So what you will do, what we have written here is 25, that is it. ठीक है, next what we will do, we'll divide it further. So again we will put a line over here, and now we have to see 15, 10 and 25 is common factor of these three numbers now. ठीक है, so again 15, 10 and 25 is divisible by 5 again, है ना children. So we'll write here 5. So 15 के टेबल में 5 कब जाता है, 5 3s are 15, and then 10 कब जाता है, 10 divided by 5. If you do 10 divided by 5, you'll get 2. 5 2s are 10. You divide 25 by 5, you'll get 5 here. ठीक है, so now if you see 3, 2 and 5 is the number now, and 3, 2 and 5 we will not get any common factor for 3, 2 and 5, है ना. कोई भी ऐसा नंबर नहीं है जिसके टेबल में 3 भी आता हो, जिसके टेबल में 2 भी आता हो, जिसके टेबल में 5 भी आता हो. देयर इज़ नो नंबर लाइक दैट. सो यहाँ पे हम ख़त्म कर लेंगे. आपको तब तक डिवाइड करना है चिल्ड्रंस जब तक तीनों नंबर्स का कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है. सो तीनों नंबर्स का कॉमन फैक्टर था तो हमने डिवाइड किया. यहाँ पे भी तीनों नंबर्स का कॉमन फैक्टर था, सो वी डिवाइडेड इट. नाउ 3, 2 and 5, no, we won't get any number. If you take for example 2, okay, if you take for example 2, you can see कि 2 के टेबल में 2 तो आता है but 3 and 5 नहीं आता. If you take the number 3, you can see 3 के टेबल में 3 आता है but 2 and 5 नहीं आता. So that is why no common factors are there for 3, 2 and 5, isn't it? So we will stop our solving the part over here itself. Okay, children. So next part is, after this what you need to do is, I'll just erase it. After this what you need to do is, utna solve karne ke baad what you need to do is, you need to check these numbers. What is it? 5 and 5. आपने जिस number से divide किया वो numbers को लेना है. So what you will do here, children, is HCF is equals to 5 multiplied by 5, and the answer is 25. Okay, and the answer comes as 25. What we've solved is, we will find out common multiple of the given numbers till we get such number for which there is no common factor. Okay, so there we will stop our solution. Here we will stop our division, and then what we do is, जिससे आपने number divide किया है, we will take that number and we will multiply that number. 5 and 5 आपने divide किया था, 5 into 5 is 25. So next what you will do is, you will write here, we will write here HCF of 75, 50 and 125 is 25. That is it. Okay, children. So I had taken a long time to explain one question. So I hope you might have understood. I'll show you other questions as well. Question number 9th B part is, I'll just show this part as well. So this is a little bit, division is bit larger, sorry, a bit longer. So okay, so B part is 108 comma 144 comma 180 180. So आपको क्या करना है, children? You know, ऐसा number ढूंढना है which is a common factor of all these three numbers. ठीक है, तो you can just see यहाँ पे 8 सेंड हो रहा है, यहाँ पे 4 सेंड हो रहा है, यहाँ पे 0 सेंड हो रहा है. So this is a even number है ना, so we can just divide it by 2. So if you divide 108 by 2, you will get the answer 54. And when you divide 144 divided by 2, you will get the answer 72. When you divide 180 by 2, you will get 90. Okay, children? So now, if you want me to tell how I am dividing, it is again the same thing. For here, how I'll just show you how I divided 108 by 2. That is it. Okay, children? So 108 divide by 2. If I'm just showing 2 5s are 10, and will minus, you will get 0. We'll take 8 below. 2 4s are 8, remainder 0. So now what is the answer over here? 54. So that is why what have we written here? 54. Okay, that is how you have to divide 145 by 2, 180 by 2. So when you do divide, you will get these answers. Next what we will do, children, is put a line over here, and then again this is ending by 4, 2 and 0. Again what we can do is, we can divide all these three numbers by 2. Okay, common factor of all these numbers, all these three numbers is 2. So we'll write here 2. 54 divided by 2, if you do, you'll get 27, children. And then 72 divided by 2, when you will do, you will get 36, children. And then 90 divided by 2, when you will do, you'll get 45. Okay, and then now 27, 36, 45, again these three numbers. Okay, so 27, 36, 45, 2 cannot be here we can see the number is ending by 7, so it cannot be a common factor of 2. It cannot be divisible by 2. So that is why we'll take the other number, the next number. See, check 3 से divide होता है, तो what we will do here is 3 is the common factor of 27, 36 and 42. So 27 divided by 3, when you will do, you'll get the answer 9. Okay, 36 divided by 3, when you will do, you will get the answer 12. And 45 divided by 3 when you will do, you'll get the answer 15. Okay, so now 9, 12 and 15. Again 9, 12 and 15 is what? Is divisible by 3. 9, 12 and 15 is divisible by 3. 9 divided by 3 when you'll do, you'll get the answer 3. 12 divided by 3 when you'll do, you'll get the answer 4. And when you'll divide 15 by 3, you'll get the answer 5. Okay, so now in the end, what is remaining is 3, 4 and 5. Okay, I know it is I don't have much space, but 3, 4 and 5 is quite visible. So now if you see 3, 4 and 5, so 3, 4 and 5, we don't have any common factor of all these three numbers. So we will stop this division method right now. Okay, next step is, what is the next step, children? What the left numbers, the numbers which we have used to divide these three numbers, is we have to write here. So what is the number? 2, 2, 3, 3. 2 times 2, 2 times 3. So what we will do here is HCF is equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. How you will do? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. Answer is 36. That is it, children. ठीक है, वेरी सिंपल है ना. सो जस्ट आपको कॉमन फैक्टर ढूंढना है. इवन नंबर्स, स्मॉल नंबर्स से ढूंढो, 2 से ट्राई करो, एंड यू कैन यूज द लॉजिक लाइक इफ द नंबर इज एंडिंग विद even numbers, then it is divisible by 2. If it is an odd number, you can check 3 number. If it is a 0 and if the number is ending with a 0 and a 5, then 5 could be divisible. So that is how you have to use your logic, and you just need to divide it, and till then you will divide where you get such odd numbers which cannot be divisible by same number. Okay, children, so that is it. So we'll see the next question. Our next question is, here is 36, 48 and 72. Okay, I'll be showing only this one, and last one I won't be showing. Question number C is 36 comma 48 comma 72. Okay, so what we will do, we'll put a line here and then here line, and then what we will see, I just told you that if the number is even number, the number is ending with even number, just 6, 8 and 2, then the number is divisible by 2. So common factor of 36, 48 and 72 is 2. So 36 divided by 2, if you do, you'll get 18. 48 divided by 2, if you do, you'll get 24. 72 divided by 2, if you do, you'll get 36. Again, we'll put a line over here. Again, the number is ending with 8, 4 and 6. We can divide it by 2. Take it. 18 divided by 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 12s are 24, and then 2 18s are 36. Again, now 9, 12 and 18, 2 से नहीं आप कर सकते हो डिवाइड, बिकॉज 9 2 के टेबल में 9 नहीं आता है. सो दैट इज़ वाई वी विल यूज़ 3 नंबर, है ना. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12 and 3 6 are 18. Now we have got the number 3, 4 and 6. इसको आप आगे डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते because we don't have any common factor for 3, 4 and 6. Here we will end this. Here we will end this, and next what is the step of our question is, आपके जो left hand side में, the number was here 2 and here 2. Okay, so the left hand side में जो number थे 2, 2 and 3, which we have used for dividing these numbers, that is what we have to use for multiplication. So 2 into 2 into 3, that we have to use. So HCF is equals to 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, what is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Answer will be 12. That is it, children. Okay, I hope you might have understood. Question number D is also simple, 56 and 98. I'm not explaining that. That is for your homework. Okay, children. So let's move to our question number 10. Question number 10 is, find the LCM by prime factorization method. Okay, now LCM full form I had taught you in my previous lecture. LCM part while we were doing the ascending and descending order question. So question number 10, LCM. LCM, if you don't remember, the full form of its LCM is lowest common multiple. अब हम lowest common multiple निकालेंगे but prime factorization method से. So I'll teach you prime factorization method. It is again very simple. Okay, so prime factorization method will begin. First question is 60, 84 and 96. So what we have to do, children, here is 60 will write here. We'll draw a line like this and then this. So we'll see the number which is a number which is we'll see the number which we can just divide with 60, and the factor of 60 we need to see, but for starting from the lowest prime number. So lowest prime number here is 2 है ना. ओके, लोवेस्ट प्राइम नंबर हियर इज 2. 2 से हम डिवाइड करेंगे 60 को, सो आपका आंसर क्या है, 60 को डिवाइड करेंगे 2 से, सो आंसर आएगा आपका 30. ओके, नेक्स्ट 30 अगेन आप 2 से कर सकते हो, आपका आंसर आएगा योर 15. 30 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 इज़ 15. नाउ 2 से आप नहीं डिवाइड कर सकते हो, है ना, 15 को नहीं कर सकते हो, बिकॉज 15 इज़ नॉट अ फैक्टर ऑफ 2. सो दैट इज़ वाई आप 3 देखो, 3 डिवाइड कर सकते हो. 15 के टेबल में 3 कब आता है, 3 5s are 15. Now you cannot write here 3 because 5 is not a factor of 3. So 4 के टेबल में भी 5 नहीं आता. लास्ट 5 किसके टेबल में आता है, 5 के ही टेबल में आता है. So write here 5. 5 1s are 5. So यहाँ पे आपका 1 आ गया बच्चा. So 1 आ गया, we'll stop over here. Next is 84. Okay, so what we will do here is, I'll tell you later. For next, the same way we will do for 84. Okay, 84 also we will do the same. Draw a line like this and we'll see which number can be divisible. So 84 is divisible by 2. Okay, so what will come here is 42. Again you will divide it by 2. If you divide 42 by 2, 42 divided by 2, you will get the answer 21. And again what we'll do, you cannot divide it by 2, you can divide it by 3, है ना. 3 7s are 21, and 7 is also an odd number, so again the 7 we need to divide 7 by 7 itself. So 7 1s are 7. 1 आ गया नीचे, we will stop over here. Next number is 96. Okay, so for 96 what we will do is 96 will write like this. This is an even number, so we can start with 2. Okay, so what we will get here is 2, we'll get here 48. Okay, so 48, after 48 what we'll do, this is again an even number, we'll divide it by 2 and we will get the answer 24. Again we will divide it by 2, we'll get the answer 12. Again we will divide it by 2, we will get the answer, I'm continuing over here right hand side, we'll get the answer 6. 2 6 are 12. And then again we will divide it by 2, we'll get the answer 3. 2 से आप डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते हो, है ना, बिकॉज 2 के टेबल में 3 नहीं आता है. सो डिवाइडेड बाय 3 itself and you will get the remainder 1. Okay, this is how we have done for 60. 1 आ गया रिमाइंडर, we stopped there. Then we did for 84, 1 आ गया रिमाइंडर, we stopped there. Then the number 96, 1 आने तक हमने सॉल्व कर दिया. Okay, now next step, what is the next step is, the next step is we need to see we will write like this. I'll show. We'll write 60 is equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, यहाँ पे था ना 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. सो वही सेम चीज़ हमने वहाँ लिख दी. 84 का हमने कौन कौन से नंबर से यूज़ किया है, डिवाइड किया है, 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. So that is only we have to write here. 84 is equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. ठीक, and next is 96. 96 1 2 3 4 5. 5 times 2 को multiply करना है and then 1 time 3 को. We will write here 96 is equals to 5 times 2, you will write 1 2 3 4 5 and multiplied by what was the next number? 3. Okay, so next number was 3. 5 times 2 and then multiplied by 3. Okay, so if what we have written here is the numbers which are here. Okay, the numbers which are here, that is only we have written over here. 60 is equals to this, 84 is equals to this much, and 96 is equals to this much. Now what we need to do here, children, is we need to see common numbers. Okay, how we will see the common numbers is, I'll just show you. Okay, so common numbers here is, you can see 2, 2, 2. And 2, 2, 2 is common in everywhere. So what we will do is, we will write here 2. And what is next common is 2, 2, 2. Again 2 is common here. So what we will do here is, again we will write here 2. Next, what is the common number here? 3, 3, 3. In all these numbers we have got 3. We will write here 3. Okay, so these were the common numbers in these 3 numbers. Now next what we will do, children, is we will see the numbers which are not common in all the 3 numbers. All the 3 numbers means the numbers which are not common, the numbers which are left over. So what is the number which is left over is the number 5. 5 is left, so we will write here 5. Next, what is the number left over here is number 7. We will write here number 7. Next, what is the number which is left is 1 times 2, 2 times 2 and 3 times 2. 3 बार 2 लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे, तो what we will do here is 2 into 2 into 2. That is it, children. ठीक है, आप समझ गए होंगे. I'll just explain again what is it. When you will divide this like this, you will take all the left side numbers which we used for division, and then what we will do is we'll write here like this, and then we will see the common factors. We'll see the common factors. We will write 1 time 2 is there, we have written 1 time, 2 times we have written 1 time, 3 was there, we have written 1 time, and then the non-common numbers also we have written here. Okay, and the next step is we need to multiply 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 2 into 2 into 2. इन सबको आप multiply करोगे, you will get the answer 3360. ठीक है, this is how you need to find out. That is it, and this is the lowest common multiple. ठीक है, LCM of 60, 84 and 96 is 3360. Okay, children. Okay, so let's move on to our next question. Next question number is, B question number is 26, 14 and 19. Very simple, short one. So first is 26. So what we will do is we will divide 26 like this. Okay, 2. We will use here 2 because this is an even number. So the 26 divided by 2, when you will do, you will get the answer what? 13. 13 2s are 26, isn't it, children? And 13 is an odd number, so 13 के table में 13 ही जा सकता है. 13 1s are 13, and our question is over. ठीक है, and our question is over here. Next is 14 number. 14, again we will write here 14, and we will use the same method for dividing. We'll use write here 2, सबसे smallest prime number. So 2 के टेबल में 14 कब जाता है? 2 7s are 14. Again we'll draw a line here. 7 2 के टेबल में 7 नहीं आता, 3 के टेबल में 7 नहीं आता, ना ही 4 के टेबल में आता है, ना ही 5 के टेबल में आता है. डायरेक्टली 7, and then 7 1s are 7. 1 आ गया, आपका आंसर यहाँ पे ख़त्म हो गया. लास्ट नंबर was 91. Okay, 91 again with the same method we will use. 91 we cannot directly comes in the number 7. So 91 divided by 7 you will do, you will get the answer 13. 13 is an odd number, so you will write here 13. A remainder will be 1. Okay, children, so remainder will be 1. Okay, that this way you have to do. And then what is the next step, children? I just told you what is the next step. I'll just rub this old part, and yes. Okay, so what is the next step here is we'll take these numbers 2 and 13. Okay, I just wrote. Okay, 2 and 13 is the number here. So what we will do here is 26 is equals to 2 into 13. And next what was the number here? 14. 14 के side में कौन से number है? 2 into 7. We'll write here 14 is equals to 2 into 7. Next what is the number here? 91. 91 के number क्या है? 7 and 13. So what we will do here is you'll write now here 91 is equals to 7 into 13. And next what we need to do is, children, I'll just change the color of pen so that it becomes easier. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to see the common numbers. If you see 2 is over here, 2 is over here, 2 is not over here. If you see 13 here, 13 is here, 13 is here, but 13 is not here. If you see 7 number, 7 is here, 7 is here, but 7 is not here. So if you just notice कि 2 common numbers तो है, यहाँ पे 2 common है, यहाँ पे 2 common है, यहाँ पे 2 common है, but तीनों numbers common कहीं पे भी नहीं है. So that's not a problem. We'll just take the common numbers now. The common number here is 2 into 2, है ना? So you will write here LCM is equals to 2, and then 13 and 13 is common here, so we'll write here 1 time 13 and then multiplied by, you can see 7 and 7 common here, you will write here 1 times 7. That is it, children. You will multiply 2 into 13 into 7 and you will get the answer 182. That is it. Okay, so that is it for question number B. If we see our question number C, I'll show you. I'll just rub this. Okay, now question number 3. Question number 3 is 21, 63, 105. Again, smaller number. So 21, right here 21 divided. You can see this is an odd number. You cannot divide it by 2. Check if you can divide it by 3. Yes, 3 7s are 21 and 7 is again an odd number. You will divide it by 7. You will get the remainder 1. Next is the number 63. Okay, 63. Again, we will divide it by 3 because this is an odd number. And 63 divided by 3, when you will do, you will get the answer 21. And then again, you can divide it by 3. 3 7s are 21. 7 के table में 7 and 7 times 7. 7 1s are 7, and then you'll get the remainder 1. Next number was 105. 105. Okay, so 105 also we'll use. 105 will divide it by 3, and when you would divide 105 divided by 3, you'll get the answer 35. And then 35 and 3 35 is not a factor of 3, and 5, so we will use here 5. So 5 7s are 35, and then 7 को आप 7 से divide करोगे, you'll get the remainder 1. Okay, so 1 आ गया है अभी तीनों में 1 आ गया. So we stop here. Next step I'll show. What is the next step here is, okay, so 21 के side में numbers कौन से हैं? Sorry, just here it was 3. Okay, so 21 के side में number कौन से? 3 and 7. So we will write here 21 is equals to 3 into 7. Okay, next 63. 63 के side में number कौन से? 3 into 3 into 7. We'll write here 63 is equals to 3 into 3 into 7. Next, what is the number, children? 105. Numbers are 3, 5 and 7. 105 is equals to 3 into 5 into 7. Okay, so now next step is, what is the next step? We need to see the common factors. Okay, so we see 3, 3 and 3 is here. So what we will do here is LCM is equals to 3 into, and then you see 7, 7, 7 in 3 places. So you will write here 7. Next, what are the numbers left here is, here the number left is 3. You will write here 3 I'll write here into And what is the number left over here? This is 5. You'll write here 5. So last step is 3 multiply by 7, multiply by 3, multiply by 5. You'll get the answer 3, 1, 5. Okay children, so that is it for question number C. D also you have to do the same thing, like I had explained you 3 questions. So that is how you have to do it. That you have to do is for your homework, and you can check the answer which I'll be sending you. Okay, next question is question number 11. Question number 11 is, okay, so question number 11, question number 9 and 10 we done here. Question number 11. Question number 11 is, write in the box whether the following statements are true or false. Okay, so आपको true and false देखना है. बोल रहे हैं 9 is a factor of 80. Okay, what is the question here is children? They are asking, is 9 a factor of 80? ठीक है, तो 80 के factors क्या क्या हैं? तो 80 के factors हैं, 80 किस किस के टेबल में आता है? सिंपली 80 किस किस के टेबल में आता है? सो 80 कम्स इन 1, है ना, तो 180 ज़ा 80, 180 ज़ा 80, तो 1 के भी टेबल में आता है, 80 के भी टेबल में आता है, एंड देन 2 के टेबल में भी आता है. 2 के टेबल में कब आता है? 240 ज़ा 80, तो 2 के टेबल में भी आता है एंड 40 के टेबल में भी आएगा. नेक्स्ट 4 के टेबल में 80 कब आता है? 420 ज़ा 80. एंड देन 5 के टेबल में कब आता है? 80. 5 16 ज़ा 80. एंड देन 8 के टेबल में कब आता है? 80. 8 10 ज़ा 80. That is it. So the factor of 80 is, 1 2 4 5 8 10 16 20 40 and 80. So यहाँ पे 9 कहीं पे भी नहीं है ना बच्चों. We cannot see 9 over here. So that is why the statement is false. ठीक है. Now next question is, 15 is a factor of 45. ठीक है. Is 15 a factor of 45? This is their question. So let's see 15 is a factor of 45 or not. So here, so again 45, the factors of 45, what is it? 1 and 45, है ना. 1 के टेबल में भी 45 आता है एंड 45 के टेबल में भी 45 आएगा. जैसे 1 45 ज़ा 40 एंड 45 1 ज़ा 45. नेक्स्ट किसके टेबल में आता है? 3 के टेबल में आता है 45. 3 के टेबल में कब आता है? 3 15 ज़ा, है ना. 15 3 ज़ा 45. सो दैट इज़ वाई 3 and 15. एंड नेक्स्ट किसके टेबल में आता है? 5. ओके, सो 5 के टेबल में 45 आता है. 5 9 ज़ा 45. सो व्हाट आर द नंबर्स? फैक्टर्स ऑफ 45 आर 1 3 5 9 15 45. ठीक है. सो दे आर आस्किंग, इज 15 अ फैक्टर ऑफ 45? तो आपने देखा यहाँ पे 15 आ रहा है आपका यहाँ पे नंबर. सो दैट इज वाई द स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू हियर. यू विल राइट हियर ट्रू. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, 8 is a factor of 4. 8 is a factor of 4. So let's see if 8 is a factor of 4. So now see children, they are asking about the number 4. They are asking about the number 4. How can 8 be a factor of 4? नहीं ना, multiple होता तो चलो 8 आता था. 4 the multiple of 4 is 8. That would be right. But they are asking 8 is a factor of 4. मतलब 8 के टेबल में 4 आता है क्या? Is that even possible? No. Factors of 4 are only 1, 2 and 4. जैसे 1 4 is a 4, 4 1 is a 4 and 2 2 is a 4. That is it. So the factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. 8 is not a factor. 8 cannot be a factor of 4. That is why the statement here will be false. Next question is, 6 is a factor of 42. 6 is a factor of 42. Let's see if 6 is a factor of 42 or not. So 42, 1 and 42. 1 के टेबल में 42 आता है and 42 itself comes in 42's table. Next is 2. 2 के टेबल में 42 कब आता है? 2 21 ज़ा 42. Next 3 के टेबल में 42 कब आता है? 3 7 ज़ा 42. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Sorry, children. Let me just rub this. again. So what was I writing? I was writing 1 and 42, and then we checked about the number 2. The number 2, 21 2s are 42. Okay, you can also multiply and check. 21 2s are 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So you can just understood 21 2s are is 42. Okay, and next is 3. Okay, 3 के टेबल में 42 आता है. We have to check that. For example, 6 and 7. Yes, 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 comes in sorry, where's my pen? Yes, so 6 के टेबल में 42 आता है. 6 7s are 42. Okay, so if you see the number 6, and if you see 6 7s are, if you multiply 6 7s are 42, so 6 is a factor of 42, 7 is also a factor of 42, so that is why 6 is there. So the statement here is true. Next question is 25 is a factor of 20. How 25 can be a factor of 20? 25 is the larger number, 20 is the smallest number, है ना? So the only number, the factor of 20 is 1 and 20, then 2 and 10, and then 5, sorry, and then 4 is also there, 4 and 5. Okay, so the factors of 20 are 1 2 4 5 10 20. That is it. 25 cannot be a factor of 20. That is why the statement here will be false. Okay children, question number 12 is cancelled. Next question is question number 13. So question number 13 is make different groups of factors from the following numbers. So very simple children, so you just have to see different groups of factors. We can just find it out very easily. I'll show you how to do that. First question was the number was given to you was 24. 24 was the number given to you. So you just have to check different groups में कैसे कहाँ 24 आता है. So for example, 1 into 24s are 24, and 24 into 1 is also 24, isn't it children? Next step will be 2 into 12s are 24, and 12 into 2 is also will be 24. And next will be, next after 2 and 12, we can just write 3 into 8s are 24, and 8 into 3 is also 24. So all these numbers you have to write. Okay, 1 into 24, 24 into 1, 2 into 12, 12 into 2, 3 into 8, and 8 into 3. And one more number is there, that is 4 6. So 4 6 is also 24, and 6 into 4 is also 24. Okay, so like this you have to make the tables. Like this you have to make the groups for writing the factors. See here I have written 1 into 24, 24 into 1, 2 into 12, 12 into 2, 3 into 8, 8 into 3, 4 into 6, and 6 into 4. Okay, like that you have to make groups, different groups. Same way for 12. Same way for 12, like 1 into 12, then 12 into 1. 1 12s are 12 होता है, 12 1s are 12 होता है, 2 6s are 12 होता है, तो 6 2s are 12 होगा, 3 4s are 12, and 4 into 3s are 12. Okay, so this is very simple children. You just have to see the factors with the tables which comes in the tables which comes. So likewise question number 28. Question number 28 also you can just see कौन से numbers को आप multiply करोगे तो answer will be a 24. Same I taught you in my previous lecture. You remember this way the question which we solve for common factors, that is only the way, but just that you will write here like this. You will make groups. जैसे 12 है तो 1 into 12 एक group हो गया, 12 into 1 एक group हो गया, 2 into 6 एक group हो गया, तो 6 into 2 एक group हो गया. Simple, ठीक है? So this question is very simple. I have made different groups. I'll explain the last question also. 46th one, the number 46. The number 46 comes in 1 into 46 and then 46 into 1s are 46. Next is 2 into 23s are 46. Okay, 23 into 2s are 46. Okay, so like that you have to just solve it. I've written here different groups. You just need to check किस number से multiply करने से आपका answer the given question आता है. Okay children, so next question is write all the common factors of the following set of numbers. Again same question is there like we did for this question, common factor question, which I taught in my previous class. Okay, that is how you have to just do this one also. Okay, so I'll show you one, children. I'll show you one. Question number 14, A part I'll show you. Question number 14, A part is 8 and 12. The number is 8 and, sorry, number is 8 and 12. Okay, so what we will do here is 8 is equals to, किस किस के टेबल में 8 आता है, 1 and 8 है ना, 1 and 8 के टेबल में 8 आएगा. नेक्स्ट किसके टेबल में आता है, 2 and 2 4 is 8. That is it. So 1 2 4 8 इतना ही आता है. नेक्स्ट इज 12. 12 का we will see 1 and 12 and then 2 and 6 and then 3 and 4 है ना. 1 12 are 12, 2 6 are 12, 3 4 are 12 है ना. तो likewise we have solved. Next what we need to do here is we need to see the common factors. So common factors, how we will find out common factors. अब इसमें common factors कौन कौन से हैं. 1 is common in both the numbers, 2 is common in both the numbers, 3 is here but 3 isn't here, so 3 is not a common factor, 4 is common in here. So common factor, what you'll do here is common factor is equals to 1 comma 2 and what, 4. Okay, this much only children. So that is all you have to do it. I'll just explain one more question. This is very simple question. I had already taught you in my previous lecture. So that is why I'll just show you few. For example, for the last one was 9 and 18. ठीक है, तो 9 and 18, 9 and 18. Okay, so 9 is equals to, अब 9 किस किस के टेबल में आता है, 9 1 and 9 के टेबल में आता है, देन 3 के टेबल में आता है. That is it है ना. 1 3 and 9 इतना ही आता है, इन्हीं के टेबल में 9 आता है. And then is 18, 1 and 18 and then 2 and 9 है ना. 2 9s are 18, 1 18s are 18, 18 1s are 18. That is why 1 and 18 we have written here. 2 9s are 18. That is why 2 and 9 we have written here. And then comes in 3 6 are 18. So now what we have to do is we need to find out the common factors. Common factor will be, common factor is equals to, what is the common factor here, 1 1 comma 3. 3 is common over here, so we will write here 3. And then what is common over here, so you can see 9, 1 3 and 9 is the common factor of 9 and 18. Okay, so that is all children. That is how you have to find out for the others. That is for your homework. Next question is write all the factors of the following. Okay, next question number 15. Question number 15 is write all the factors of the following. Number is provided to you. So again the same things which I have teaching you from the very beginning of the lesson. That is the only thing which you remember. Now they are asking about factors. So this is factor, number is 24. Number is 24 and they are asking common factors of 24. मतलब all the factors of 24. मतलब जो numbers को आप multiply करोगे तो answer आएगा आपका 24. So for example 1 के टेबल में 24 आता है and 24 के टेबल में 24 आएगा. And then 2 के टेबल में 24 आएगा. 2 के टेबल में कब 24 आता है, 2 12s are 24. And then 3 के टेबल में कब 24 आता है, 3 8s are 24 है ना. 4 के टेबल में कब आता है 24, 4 6 are 24. You just saw कि हमने सिर्फ एक टेबल देखा, हमें दूसरा नंबर मिल गया. Like 1 के टेबल में कब आता है 24 चिल्ड्रंस, 1 24s are 24, तो हमने 1 भी लिखा 24 भी लिखा. नेक्स्ट 2 के टेबल में when it comes 24, 2 12s are 24 है ना. 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24. I told you to learn to tables till 20. So that is why 2 into 12 that is why we have written 2 also, 12 also. 3 के टेबल में कब आता है बच्चों 24? 3 8s are 24, so we wrote 3 also, 8 also. The next number was 4. 4 के टेबल में कब आता है 24? 4 multiplied by 4 times 6. 4 6 are 24. So we have got the number. That is only we have to write 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 24 over here in this column. Next question 35. 35 also you need to find it out. Let me rub it fast. Yes. So next question is 35. 35 is also simple. See 35. 35 1 and 35 के टेबल में 35 जाता है, right? And then directly it goes in 5. 5 के टेबल में 35 कब जाता है? 5 7s are 35. So the factors of 35 is 1 5 7 and 35. That is it. And we have written 1 5 7 and 35. Simple. Okay, likewise you have to find it for 19, likewise you have to find it for 42, likewise you have to find it for 31. Okay, so if we don't have much, you will just write 1 and the number itself, है ना. ज़्यादा नहीं है तो हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 1 and the number itself. 31 जैसे 31 बीच के किसी टेबल में नहीं आता. 2 के टेबल में 31 नहीं आता, 3 के टेबल में 31 नहीं आता, 4 नहीं, 5 नहीं, 6 नहीं, 7 नहीं, 8 नहीं. सो लाइकवाइज तो 1 के टेबल में तो डेफिनेटली आएगा 1 31 ज़ा 31, एंड 31 के टेबल में भी डेफिनेटली आएगा 31 1 ज़ा 31, है ना. सो दैट इज़ वाई इफ़ नो नंबर इज़ देयर, so you will write 1 and the number itself. Okay children, so next question is question number 16. They are asking write yes or no in the box for the following statements. Again, like true and false we have to do. Is 6 is a factor of 35? Okay, 6 is a factor of 35 means 35 is divisible by 6 or not. So it is not. 30 is divisible by 6 and 36 is divisible by 6, not the number 35. Okay, so we will write here no. Then the question is 35 divisible by 6? Again no. Vice versa question hai. 35 factor of 35? No. Divisible by 6? No. 35 is not divisible by 6. In fact, number 36 is divisible by 6. So here it comes no. Next is 8 a factor of 18? Okay, 18 no. Again no. 18 के टेबल में 8 सॉरी एनी 8 को आप मल्टीप्लाई करते हो तो 18 आएगा, नहीं आएगा. Sorry, I'm sorry. 8 is a factor of 18. So no, it is not. In fact 16 है ना. If instead of 18 it was 16, then yes 8 is a factor of 16 because 8 के टेबल में 16 आता है. 8 2s are 16 and also 16 is divided by 8. 16 को आप डिवाइड कर सकते हो 8 से, so that is why 16 will be the right answer, but here 18 is there, so we will write here no. Next question is 18 divisible by 8? No. Again no. 18 is not divisible by 8. If you try to divide it 18 by 8, if you are facing difficulty while I am just saying, then you can also see by dividing. Okay, I'm just saying yes and no, so you can just at home practice and see if it is, for example 18 and 8. If you see 18 and 8, if you divide it, 8 2s are 16 and the remainder comes as 2. So remainder 0 nahi aa raha hai, so that is why the answer is no. Okay, and before that the number was about 35 and 6. Okay, 35 and 6, if you see 35 also, so the number comes as 6 5s are 30 and remainder is 1. So that is why the answer was no in the above cases. Okay, no 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 no. And the next second last question is 70 a factor of 420? Okay, so you need to see for that you need to check and solve. For example 420 is a factor of 70, so you just see if 70 के टेबल में 420 आता है कि नहीं आता है. So we can so before remembering the table we can just easily divide it and see. For example 420 divided by 70, and when 0 is number is there, we don't need to divide 70. आप directly 42 divided by 7 भी कर सकते हो, and last में बस 0 ऐड करना होता है. तो you can just see 7 6 are 42 and the remainder comes as 0. तो if 7 6 are 42 है तो 70 6 will be 420, है ना. 70 6 will be 420 and the remainder will come as 0. So that is why the answer here will be yes. Okay, And is 420 divisible by 70? Yes, 420 को हमने डिवाइड किया 70 से, आंसर आया 6, रिमाइंडर आया 0, क्वोशंट आया 6, रिमाइंडर आया 0. Yes, the last two will be yes and yes. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज लास्ट क्वेश्चन, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विथ वर्ड्स मल्टीपल्स और फैक्टर्स. तो आपके ये बॉक्स में आपको या तो मल्टीपल्स डालना है या तो फैक्टर्स डालना है. सो विल सी विच इज़ मोर अप्रोप्रिएट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फर्स्ट इज 25, 50, 75, 100, 125 एंड 150. व्हाट इज दैट चिल्ड्रंस? 25 का टेबल है ये. 25 2 is 50, 25 3 is 75, 24 4 is 100, 25 5 is 125. सो ये क्या है? मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 25 है. नेक्स्ट इज 1 2 5 10 25 50 आर डैश ऑफ 50. अब 50 के ये क्या होंगे? ये फैक्टर्स होंगे, मल्टीपल्स तो हो नहीं सकते ना. मल्टीपल्स विल बी द नंबर इटसेल्फ एंड द नंबर्स लार्जर देन द गिवन नंबर. So that is why it is a factor of 50. C1 is each number has an infinite number of multiples. है ना, इन्फिनिट नंबर ऑफ मल्टीपल्स होते हैं. टेबल आप कर सकते हो. जैसे आपको 2 टेंजा ही पता है, 2 टेंजा 20, बट 2 11 कर सकते हो, 2 12 कर सकते हो, 2 100 कर सकते हो, 2000 2 lakhs तक कर सकते हो. सो ईच नंबर हैज़ इन्फिनिट नंबर ऑफ मल्टीपल्स. आप मल्टीप्लाई इन्फिनिट टाइम्स कर सकते हो. द लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज ईच नंबर हैज़ अ ग्रेटेस्ट. ईच नंबर हैज़ अ ग्रेटेस्ट फैक्टर. है ना, कोई भी नंबर ले लो. 7 का ग्रेटेस्ट फैक्टर विल बी 7 itself. So each number has a greatest factor. And question number 18 is cancelled, children. So that is all for today's lecture. I know the lecture went little larger, little longer. So, but it's okay. I'd try to explain you by solving it so that you will understand it clearly. That is it. So just do your questions, solve it, listen to the video carefully, pause the video, listen again if you're facing difficulty. Also do the homework. I've tried almost questions to solve in front of you. Hardly few questions I've given for homework. So do the homework and send it on WhatsApp. Okay, children? Thank you so much. Take care of yourselves. See you in next lecture.